Hey, this is Sean. I'm going to show you how to make a quick rifle. This is going to take 2 brown balloons. I have pearlized burnt sienna here, but you can use either mocha brown or dark brown. Either one works. I've used them all. Black 260 and a gray 160, although you can, if you'd like, use a gray 260. I just like how thin it is for the barrel part. First what we're going to make is the stock part of the gun. Leave a long tail. We're not going to use the whole. We're not going to use the whole thing. We're going to start by making a set of pinch twists that's going to end up holding the scope when we're done. So just 2 1-inch bubbles and turn them into pinch twists, like so. Small 1/2-inch maybe spacer bubble. You don't need a lot of room. Another set of pinch twists. This set is going to be the ones that hold the barrel. So again, couple 1-inch bubbles. Turn them into pinch twists. So you have them just like this. Pair of pinch twists, little spacer bubble, another pinch twist. The very, very, very tiny spacer bubble, that's not even as wide as my finger. You want the barrel to be laying across the stock as close as possible, so another 1-inch bubble we turn into a pinch twist. We're just turning the wood back. And then reverse the process. Tiny pincher roll that's not as wide as my finger. There we go. And then another small spacer bubble, pinch twist, and pinch twist. And we're getting rid of the rest. Cool. Voila. So there we have it. Same thing on both sides. And now, let's see. Gray balloon that we're going to use for the barrel. I use gray because I don't want it to be see-through, so that's why I don't use silver. Oh look, that's plenty right there. Oops. Never gets any easier. So, for the end of the barrel, I do like to do a tulip twist, although sometimes it makes it go cockeyed, but I like how it also makes it look like there's a hole going down it. Like that. That should be plenty. For the length. Doesn't matter which side you start with, where the barrel comes, because it's like this, your wooden part at this point should be identical. And lay it across, just make sure it's the same length. I like to leave a little pinch twist here in the back. This may or may not relate to what a gun or a rifle actually looks like. To be honest, I don't have a rifle. But what I like about it is, from the user's point of view, they can see the gray more. And this, I like to put right in the front underneath where the barrel comes out. Kind of like that bolt that's there that shows them like a place to keep the barrel apart if they need to. And then eventually, when we're done, we'll straighten all this up. But for now, that's plenty good. The stock, the rest of the stock. Continuing on with the brown balloon. First thing you'll do is make kind of like where the handle is, like that, something to hold on to, followed by a pinch twist. And this will go right here, this lower pinch twist. Like that. Too long hands. Tight. And then 2 long hands back. This, and I'm going right back to those pinch twists where I started. What you can do here, instead of just getting rid of this completely, what I do is I let the air out. Need a little bit there. There we go. So leave it long enough as a trigger, but don't leave the extra there. Now just leave it puffed. So you can also, with this part, just bend it a little bit. That way it has that shoulder. So they've got their trigger, the stock, this barrel, which I made a little bit too long, which is why it's buckling up, and then that coming out the front. You could stop here, and if you left these top things off, no one would be the wiser, and you'd be done. To add the scope, you could just blow this up and twist it in. Go the extra little bit. Tool twist both ends. I don't leave a lot hanging over. Just leave it like that. That tool twist broke as I put it in there. No big deal. There. Good. So this part's trickier, of course. There we go. So retie it, but make it soft. And then push it back. Do that. Good. There you go. Everything's sitting kind of straight. Sorry, I'm adjusting. There we go. Just like that. This might shoot a little crooked, not positive. There you go. That's the main part of it. Have a great night or morning whenever you're watching this.